In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank statements in QuickBooks Online. This process is an essential task for keeping your financial records accurate and ensuring that everything aligns with your bank statements. If you're using QuickBooks for your business, reconciling bank statements regularly is crucial to catch any discrepancies or errors early on and maintain proper financial health. First, if you're new to QuickBooks, you'll need to sign up for an account. If you've already set one up, go ahead and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, enter your account information carefully to access your dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate and choose the specific company file that you want to manage. Once you're in the main dashboard, locate the Settings menu. Within the menu options, you'll find a section labeled Tools. Click on Reconcile, which will take you to the reconciliation area. This is where the actual process of reconciling your bank statements begins. The next step involves choosing the specific bank account or credit card account that you wish to reconcile. QuickBooks provides a drop-down list where you can select the relevant account. It's important to pick the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. After selecting the account, the following step is to enter your statement information. Here, you will input the ending balance from your credit card or bank statement along with the corresponding ending date. QuickBooks might prompt you to add a beginning balance depending on your account specifics. Once you've filled in this information, you can start reconciling. QuickBooks displays a list of transactions, both from your records and the bank statement. Your task is to match these transactions. You can utilize filters or sort transactions by date or amount, which makes it easier to find and reconcile matches accurately. If you encounter any discrepancies, such as missing transactions or duplicates, take the time to investigate and resolve them. QuickBooks allows you to edit, add, or delete transactions as necessary until your record matches the bank statement exactly. The goal is to have the difference show $0, indicating everything aligns perfectly. Once discrepancies are resolved, your next action is to finalize the reconciliation. When the balance difference is 0, clicking Finish Now completes the process. This final step confirms all transactions have been correctly reconciled. Finally, QuickBooks automatically generates a reconciliation report, providing a detailed breakdown for your records. It's a good practice to save or print this report, as it's a valuable document for future reference and documentation. By following these steps, you can keep your financial data accurate and free from inconsistencies, making this a valuable routine in your accounting toolkit.